Yo, welcome back to the channel, my crypto nitros. Today we are going to be talking about the one and only Gala. You heard that correct, and I want you guys to understand that there is a possibility right now at this moment to get in at a dirt cheap price. I mean, wouldn't it be amazing to buy Gala once again at 1 penny before it blows up going into our next bull run? Well, ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be talking about the overall charts. We're going to be talking about the price action, and we're going to be talking about where we think this could possibly go into our next bull run. So let's dive right into it. Now, if you guys don't know, for Gala, for our previous bull run, I mean, this thing went absolutely bonkers. We're talking about it was all the way down here around 2 pennies, technically around 1 cent. And it blew up all the way up to 75 cents. Imagine, as stated, if you can buy in once again at these levels. And I'm telling you guys right now that technically you do have an opportunity to get in. And this is exactly how the overall crypto market works, right? We have a consolidation, and we have a massive bull run, and then we're stuck in a bear market. And remember, the bull run technically only lasts for a short period of time. So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, I personally believe that we are almost back down at a critical level to where you could actually be purchasing Gala, especially going into our next bull run. So with the fact that Gala has a massive amount of adoption and everything else, I mean, this one does provide a lot of value, it provides a lot of utility. There's a good chance, as stated, that this one is going to go crazy into our next bull run. So if we actually take a look here at the overall chart, I want you guys to focus really quick on this blue squiggly line. This is what is known as the 200 EMA. Technically, this is on the daily. The chart's not big enough or doesn't have enough data for it to go all the way back over here. But you guys could see that technically in our overall bear market, we have been stuck below it. Whenever the price action is below it, it is considered bearish. So in this case, if we actually take a look here, you guys will see that we are definitely still in a downtrend, right? And normally whenever you're stuck in a downtrend, you are technically considered still bearish. And we can even say right here that we do have like a descending support. So there is just a possibility, I just want to throw this out here, there is a possibility that we do have what is known as a falling wedge pattern, which is normally considered extremely bullish. Normally these are considered reversal patterns. Now, does this mean that we're going to get a reversal 100%? No, but if I'm correct, I think majority of the time it's like a 60-70% chance that it will break up to the upside. So here's what we're looking for a Gala, all right? So I want you guys to clearly understand that we do have a key level support or a key level bottom right here in this area. And technically this is our, well, basically our all-time low, right? At least what I could see on this chart. So right now we are back testing this key level area once again. And if we break it, there's a good chance that we are going to be dropping down a little bit lower to this key level area to around, technically around probably 1 penny. That's a little bit above a 1 penny, right? So right now we're sitting around 0.0135. So ladies and gents, as stated, if we break this area, we're going to be looking for a further test to the downside, okay? Now, I want you guys to understand that for a falling wedge pattern, the way that it normally works is you have a move to the upside, you back test to the downside, then you move up, you back test your resistance, back test support, back test resistance, back test support, back test resistance, back test support, and then normally that's when you're looking for a big reversal. That is normally what you are looking for. So with this being said, there is a possibility, ladies and gentlemen, that we could potentially be at our bottom. This is a possibility. Now, obviously, we still have a lot going on with the crypto sector, right? With government, not only that, the SEC, all that jazz. But I want you guys to understand that with Gala, ladies and gentlemen, if this happens to be a bottom, this could be an amazing opportunity, because if falling wedges normally break out to the upside, then they can have a measurement move, which is normally from the bottom of the falling wedge where it opened at, right, to the top, okay? So what we'd be looking for is a breakout move. Let's say we get a breakout from right here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're looking for a nice, well over 100% move, almost a 200% move alone if we happen to get this breakout to the upside, right? And technically, if we break to the downside, then you guys already know the measurement move would be way down here, which would put us like rock bottom, right? Which I'm hoping it doesn't happen. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you guys right now, with the fact that we do have a potential long-term opportunity here to buy back in at these levels, I mean, it just makes perfect sense to me, right? It makes perfect sense. Even our previous time, where we had this massive sell-off here and we hit a bottom, we got a nice strong reversal, right? So eventually what we're going to be looking for is we're going to be looking for Gala to eventually get a move back up here to backtest. Normally this is what happens. Normally the price action will backtest this overall 200 EMA, which is sitting right around $2, $2, I wish, right? $2.50, 2.5 cents. So if we can get up here and backtest, ladies and gents, we're going to be looking for a monster move to the upside. So right now, we're not going to be focusing on any short-term resistances, considering the fact we're still in this downtrend, but this could be an amazing opportunity. As stated, Gala has a lot of utility, as you guys already know, and most importantly, ladies and gents, I personally believe going into our next bull run, especially if we get some ETFs in the game and stuff like that, you guys, we're going to be looking for we're probably going to be looking for 75 cents again, and possibly even higher. That is just my opinion. I know last time there was a lot of hype around the metaverse and stuff due to Facebook, Meta, all that stuff, right? And not only that, we have a whole bunch of other ones like Decentraland doing absolutely amazing, right? There was a lot of hype there with NFTs. So we might not get as much hype then, I mean, you know, coming up in the future, but I will tell you right now that it still is a great project, still provides amazing opportunity, and it still is it's a killer deal, right? I wouldn't be throwing a whole bank at it like right now today. I'd be averaging in. That's what I would be doing, okay? So good possibility we can get all the way back up to those levels. Now, if we actually take a look here, you guys will even see for coin market cap that if we take a look here, you guys will actually see that, I mean, this thing was all the way back. Look at this. So we're technically at all-time lows, guys. We're back to this key level area, okay? So we're going to be looking for a reversal, hopefully here in the future. Currently, we're still in a downtrend. As you guys can see, even someone else has been posting it out right here. Good news for Gala enthusiasts, exhibiting signs of potential revival. So as stated, potential reversal, right? It's definitely in the cards, okay? So the overall supply, still only at 50%. Not a big fan about that. But you guys will clearly see, I mean, it's doing good, okay? So let us know what you guys think. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video, Crypto Nitro.